Hi and welcome back to Kingsclear. This is a bit of a special video today. In effect, where we are today is at the Old Oak Common station here in West London, and this is part of the HS2 interchange with the Great Western Main Line. As you can see in the distance, that's Mitre Bridge, which is approximately 3 miles from Paddington, and you can also see a Class 800 on its way on the up main into Paddington. And as you can see, an awful lot of work is going on this site. As we pan round, you can also start seeing the Elizabeth Line depot at Old Oak Common, and to the south of us that is the Hitachi GWR North Pole depot where the Class 800s are serviced. So just a little bit more about the geography of the area, as the Elizabeth Line service runs on the down relief back to the airport most probably. So this area here is what's going to be the new station of the Great Western Main Line. Those porter cabins you see there are roughly where the new platforms will start, and as you can see where that yellow tail of that train is now, roughly about the centre of the station, and right in the distance, and I'm not sure if you'll see it very well at the moment, but that is the tunnel boring machine ready to make its way off to Euston. So looking to the north now, and it is quite hard to see now, but underneath a lot of those machines and trucks etc. is a massive great big hole that was created to form the 6 platforms which will make up the HS2 station. In the distance in a minute you'll see the boring cutting head that I spoke about earlier, and that's basically roughly at the end of that hole. There it is there in the distance. So now back looking towards the south, as you can see, I've already described that's where the actual platforms will be, and there'll be 8 number platforms, 4 islands, which will have 2 faces, and this centre section where you can see those tower cranes, that's going to be the actual main station itself, the interchange part. So individuals will come off of the Great Western Main Line on the station, transfer the station, and then down onto HS2 station below. So as I briefly mentioned before, if you see that quite large factory type building, that's actually the maintenance depot for the Elizabeth Line services. You'll see in the distance the stable and sidings for those. That in effect was built on the footprint of the old Oak Common depot, the GWR depot and the factory etc. So it's just showing the progress of what it was and is now is. And obviously that's a bit of a close-up showing an 800 just going around the back there of the Hitachi depot. So I know it's been very brief, but hopefully you've enjoyed this view of the new Old Oak Common station build.